welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I want to talk to you about N-Acetyl Glucosamine. This I may basically call it Nag. What a nice name to call an ingredient. You know, sometimes you fall in love with your ingredients so much that you call them different names. This is an anti-aging ingredient that you should include when you're making your skincare product. N-Acetyl, an amino sugar with exfoliating abilities. It's very similar to alpha and beta hydroxyl acid, but it does not irritate the skin. Nag works very well when you combine with niacinamide. Okay, it helps to reduce the appearance of age spots and uneven skin tone. It helps to deal with hyperpigmentation and any damage caused by the sun. It's best used in anti-aging product because it helps to increase the production of hyaluronic acid in the skin. It helps you, as well as it also helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. How do you use this in your formulation? Basically, it's best used from 1% to 4%. Even some people use it all the way to like around 8 to 10%. So basically what you do is that you dissolve it in water a little bit, then you add it to the cool down phase of your formulation. It's best use, especially when you are making, you want to make, what do you call this? If you want to make a product to reduce hyperpigmentation or to remove dark spots, you can really combine with green tea extract and niacinamide. It makes very good dark spots remover. Okay, it's a very now I haven't shown you, it's just a white crystalline product. Basically you just add it to the water phase, not the water phase of the formulation. You add it to water. Okay, add it to water. It dissolves it really in water, a little bit of water. Make sure that water is taken from the distilled water of your formulation. Okay, when you add it to water, then you can add it to the cool down phase of the formulation. That's basically how to use N-Acetyl Glucosamine, one of the most expensive anti-aging ingredients in cosmetic industry. So if you want to include it, know that you're going to spend more. Then that means your product is going to be more expensive. But as long as it provides what you want it to do for your customers, they will definitely patronize you. So keep that in mind going forward. I think this is going to be the final videos for my anti-aging ingredient review. I hope this has helped you out. If you didn't watch my whole anti-aging range, just click on the channel and go and watch them. This is going to really help you. These are ingredients you should include in your skincare formulation. Now, some people do ask me, how come you don't use vitamin C, I'm going to talk a bit more about that today, and I think I will address that today. I'm going to tell you why I do not make a vitamin C. I do not make much of vitamin C products. I'll tell you that in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload my next video. This is a channel for you if you want to improve your formulation skill. This is a channel for you, so do well, click that subscribe button and the notification icon. Also, you can join me at naturalskincareschool.com. I have a lot of exciting projects going on there. So if you want to improve your formulation skill, you want to learn how to make products that are not available to the public, you want to have access to substitution, have access to support as you're formulating your product, that is what I do based on Natural Skincare School. So head over to naturalskincareschool.com today and let's work together. Thanks for watching.